Hello students, today we'll do the chapter that is 10th chapter, that is circle. First of all, we'll understand what is circle. A circle in which the distance from its center is always constant. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance ये भी r, ये भी r, ये भी r, ये भी r, ये भी r. और हर जगह जो distance दिया जाएगा that is r. So r is radius of circle. This whole is called as circumference or perimeter. This point is called as center of circle. Here, if a line touches this circle, then this line is called as tangent, and if a line cuts the circle at 2 points, then this line is called as chord. Take a screenshot of it. So let us do first one. The center of the circle lies in dash of the circle. Center. So this is I interior of the circle, and that is exterior of the circle. Here is the center. So question is that the center of the circle lies in dash of the circle. Center circle के interior or exterior? Yes, center is interior. So answer is, write it down, interior of the circle. Next one, a point whose distance from the center of the circle, is greater than the radius. So this is the radius and its distance is greater than radius. इसका distance जो है इस point का वो radius से ज़्यादा है, और radius से ज़्यादा वो that means circle से बाहर, that means exterior. We should write it as exterior. Next one is the longest chord of the circle is, see, this is the circle, chord which divides the circle in 2 points, this and this. तो longest क्या होती है? जो यहाँ से पास हो, which passes through the center, और center से क्या पास होता है? That is diameter of the circle. This is called as diameter of the circle. So we should write as diameter of the circle. Next is, an arc is a dash when it ends of diameter. एक arc को क्या बोलेंगे? So this is the arc, center हो, जब ये diameter पर end हो, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, पूरे सर्कल को सर्कल बोलते हैं, और हाफ सर्कल को we called it as semi circle. This is called as semi-circle. Next is segment of a circle in which region lies. Then it is called as chord. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? chord बोलते हैं. A circle divides the plane on which it lies. जिस plane पर ये lie करता है उसे कितने parts में? 3 parts में. 3 parts में डिवाइड करता है. एक सेंटर हो गया, एक इंटीरियर हो गया, एक एक्सटीरियर. सो इट हैज 3 parts. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ट्रू फॉल्स. दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. फर्स्ट पार्ट, is line segment joining the center to any point on circle is a radius. Line segment joining the center, and any point on the circle, that is radius. So this is true. So second one is A circle has only finite number of equal chords. Finite number of equal chords. No, that is chords. Example कैसे? See. So this chord is equal, 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 this chord is equal. See इतना सा पार्ट हम ले रहे हैं, ये डिस्टेंस है, ये डिस्टेंस सब कोड में क्या है, इक्वल होता जा रहा है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक के कोड लिए, यहाँ से यहाँ तक के कोड लिए. So that means ये फाइनाइट नहीं है, these are infinite in number. So that is false. Next one is third one. The circle is divided into 3 equal arcs. Each is a major arc. No. सर्कल को अगर डिवाइड करते हैं अगर दो पार्ट में, so this is called as major, this is called as minor. तो सारे पार्ट मेजर नहीं होते, that is false. Next one is a chord of the circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter. A chord ये भी रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है. So इस कोड का डिस्टेंस रेडियस के डबल है. यस, so that is true. Next one is sector is the region between the chord and the corresponding arc. No, sector is the region जब हम इसे डिवाइड करते हैं सेंटर से. This portion is minor sector and bigger one is major sector. So this is last one is a circle is a plane figure. Yes, it is represented in plane. ये plane में हम बना सकते हैं. Circle is a plane figure. अगर circle की बात करें तो yes, it is in plane. अगर बात करें ball की तो ball is not in plane. ये plane में नहीं.